Why do SaaS startups often succeed without a sales team? I'll show you how the product itself can close the deal. Meet Luca, a founder watching his app grow on its own. But how can a product attract users on its own? Luca points out that the SaaS market jumped to $241 billion in 2022, meaning users are already hunting for cloud tools. That surge fuels organic discovery. What mechanisms let users find and adopt a SaaS product without salespeople? Luca explains that hiring sales reps costs more than early team salaries, so startups let the product close deals itself, cutting the salary gap. Instead, a self-service model does the work. How does the surge in remote work create inbound demand for SaaS products? Luca notes that remote work forced teams to look for cloud solutions, driving inbound demand. Users search online, try the product, and sign up on their own. What role does the buyer's journey play in this self-service model? Luca maps the buyer's journey into a simple funnel: awareness, free trial, paid. By automating each step, the product guides users without a sales rep. Finally, why can a SaaS startup thrive without any dedicated salespeople at all? Luca shows that with a product that sells itself, clear targets, and an automated funnel, SaaS startups can scale to $374 billion by 2026 without a sales team. Now you know why SaaS startups often succeed without a sales team. But then, why do SaaS startups often succeed without a sales team? Luca wonders why a sales team seems unnecessary. In reality, the product itself becomes the sales channel through a self-service funnel, guiding users from discovery to sign up without a human rep. How does that funnel actually work? Luca checks the numbers. The SaaS market is projected to hit $374 billion by 2026, up from $241 billion in 2022. This surge shows self-service models can scale without big sales forces. What do the market numbers reveal about this model? Luca compares costs. A top SaaS salesperson earns more than early team members, making a sales crew pricey. Meanwhile, self-service lets customers sign up for free, slashing acquisition costs. How does the cost compare to a traditional sales team? Luca maps the viral loop. When users sign up, they invite teammates, creating a chain reaction that fuels growth without sales calls. This automated buyer journey turns customers into promoters. What mechanism turns users into a sales force? Luca sees the twist. The product's community becomes the sales engine, turning users into a distributed sales force that drives revenue and even monetizes data. That's how a SaaS startup can thrive without any dedicated salespeople. What does this mean for SaaS founders? Luca sees the answer. SaaS startups often succeed without a sales team because the product itself acts as a self-service funnel, pulling users in, converting them, and turning them into advocates. That's why founders can grow without hiring sales. That's the whole story at a glance. Now, draw me the world.